Hi guys, so this is part 3. I'm doing my part 3 hairstyle now. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. Hi guys, so I'm going to begin doing my hair right now. I had already prepped my hair before, and the only items that I need for this hairstyle is the crochet hair. As you can see, it's curly and fluffy and I love it. And I'm also using the crochet pin. Is it crochet? Yeah, the crochet pin. And I'm also going to need scissors to achieve this hairstyle. I'm excited. I've never done this hairstyle before, so yeah guys, come on this journey with me, and fingers crossed that it turns out well. And thank you so very much for joining me, and enjoy the video. last part of my natural hair series. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked all the hairstyles. I really like this one. It's really nice. It's fluffy and light. Let me give you a spin. It looks really beautiful, and I hope you guys like it. Look at that. It really looks nice. I love it. I did a good job. This video, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also please subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video or any content that I put on my channel. Thank you so very much once again. Bye bye.